here's what your folding pattern should look like if you're using a 24-inch PC IDC 80 cable, 80 pin, 80 conductors or whatever. So the top end, that goes into your Xbox mainboard. This bit goes into your Xbox DVD drive, and the last bit goes into your parallel SATA adapter plug. You have a fair bit of slack on this one, on this particular one. So you sort of just fold that behind the DVD drive and it works fine. And this tucks beautifully underneath the Did I do it like that? Hang on, I'll find out it like that. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's pretty close. The end might differ depending on how your drive's attached and how much length you've got, but generally that's it. Looks good. If you get 18-inch, unless this bit's really short, you're going to have troubles. You want this to be pretty long. So it's go on the distance. Now, it doesn't matter which way you plug the cable in, apparently. Someone, I was reading, they did some tests and they swapped them around. Something to do with pin 34 notifying someone that it's super fast drive. Doesn't really matter, especially on an Xbox, really. Just a very quick video showing off the folding on this 24-inch cable. So this is an Xbox Kasumi. We've got the SATA adapter here. Bit of Captain tape. Actually folds around in like a V shape and tucks underneath. Which then connects to here, and this just has a lot of excess cable and it's folded over once on the underside. Of course, I didn't know it was going to work this nicely, and I don't really want to take it apart again. Isn't that annoying? Anyway, turned out quite nice. Just wanted to show it off. So there you go. Thanks for watching.